Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Welcome to Breakfast with Bulls. I'm going to go over the top 3 EV stocks that I am long in and exactly which prices I expect for each one of these to break out at. So let's jump right into this one. First, I'm going to go over with you guys here is CCIV, and I'm going to show you guys exactly which 2 price points we need to break above to have a major breakout. But I do want to mention that I am long on CCIV because I do believe in Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors will be competing with Tesla, and they will have a major breakout, in my opinion, at some point or another. But again, they are going to be changing their ticker symbol soon, so we could see a lot of volume coming in soon. So again, we have been talking about this one since the 20 MA was crossing above the 50. You guys can see here since the major sell-off that we have not got the 20 MA to cross above the 50. But however, recently we finally did, and you guys can see we have been on a sell-off. We did get rejected exactly at 27.33. Again, you guys can see this major resistance that we are trying to break above because we got rejected exactly at this point as well before we had our major breakout and continuation. So you guys can see the first resistance that we do have here, and we are going to be trying to hold above going into this week, is 27.33. And again, you guys can see the sell-off that we had here, but however, the 20 MA still is above the 50, even though we are having a sell-off. So you guys can see we can possibly reverse here if we do consolidate here on the 50 MA. Looks like we are testing the 50 MA, and if we do bounce back up above the 20 MA, and you can see the 20 MA start to curl up, you guys can see a possible continuation past 27.33. But again, we're going to look for this major breakout point here at 33.02. Again, 33.02 is very key because we had this major sell-off. You guys can see that bounce play that we did get exactly at 33.02, and not only at 33.02 was it a bounce play, but also you guys can see this consolidation that we did have before we had this major breakout. Again, CCIV, in my opinion, is very bullish on the long run. And again, Lucid Motors will destroy the market, I believe, when they do come and start coming out with news, in my opinion. So again, Lucid Motors, CCIV, definitely on the watch going into this month. And the next one I want to go with you guys here is Charging Point, because it is an EV charging company. And again, Charging Point has been on quite the run since we did mention them a couple of weeks ago. They did break over our resistance here at 28.54 that we did mention, because you can see these continuation sell-offs that we did have exactly at this point. So again, we did break above it, and we have been continuously breaking out. But however, looks like we are testing our next resistance here at 32.48. But however, it looks like we are breaking above it. So again, we are going to be trying to break above this 39.84 mark. Again, 39.84 is very key for us because we have been having a lot of consolidation exactly at this point. And you guys can see we had our continuation sell-off exactly at this point. So again, breaking over $40 on Charging Point is very key for us. Again, we did mention this one for the last couple of weeks, and I am very long on this one again because it is an EV charging company. Again, these are safer plays, in my opinion, than EV companies, in my opinion, because they don't have to get as much sales. And if EV actually is a great industry, then EV charging companies will definitely follow with it because they're actually charging every one of these vehicles. So again, I'm going to go over the next one here is Plug. Again, Plug is another EV charging company. This one has been on quite the breakout since we did mention them with the 20 MA cross them to the 50, since they have not seen that in quite a while. And again, we have been on quite the run, but it looks like we got it rejected exactly at our resistance here at 33.36. And again, we are going to be careful here. But again, we are long on this one since around, I believe it was when the 20 MA crossed above the 50 here around 26.27. But again, I'm going to be holding this one. If this one does sell off going into this week, I will be buying more. I am very long on Plug, but I also do like Plug as a swing play. So again, this is not a recommendation or financial advice, but I do like Plug as a swing play if the market does start to turn around, which I am going to go over the overall market later on today. So definitely check out that video. But again, if the market does turn around, then we could see a nice swing play coming into Plug. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for as well coming into this week, is a nice swing play with Plug. But again, that major breakout that we do need is 33.36, because you guys can see this consolidation and continuation sell-off that we did have exactly at 33.36. So again, you guys can see here that we did get rejected exactly at this point, and we are going to be trying to break above it. And you guys can see here that the 20 MA is curling down. We're going to see if the 20 MA can stay above the 50. If we can see the 20 MA come down and test 50 MA and start to turn around and break above this 33.36 mark, then we will see a major breakout for sure. But however, if the 20 MA does cross below the 50, then we could see a continuation sell-off, which is why we're going to be watching out for the market, so that way we can avoid that sell-off. But however, as far as a long play, like I said, I like Plug, but I also do like to swing Plug if it does have a nice opportunity, which, like I said, if the market does turn around, I will be buying into Plug this week if it does have a good opportunity, of course. And lastly, if you guys are looking for all penny stock breakouts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com, click Become a Bull, and then you guys can see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day. And also, if you guys have been supporting the channel, you guys been in the comment section, much love to you guys. Everybody that's been supporting me, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.